And honestly,
Time for shit for your finale.
I kind of did,
Guys,
I spoke to her. She has like a warning, so it's, if more incidences occur with her, then it's going to be a bigger topic, a bigger
Yeah.
situation. But I feel like there's a few other girls as well that need the same kind of, talking. So I also need to speak with Angelina about her performance earlier.
Bobby, what was it?
Hey,
We
Bobby.
I had a special request from Zeke Carbone himself. We need to turn the Karen up to what's like a more Karen name?
Sabrina.
What's like above a Karen?
Hi. Hey, excuse
We
me.
need to
do
we
not
need to
raise your
tune it up
voice
to
at me.
Sabrina
This is a
level.
Karen restaurant. I
They
am
need
not
to
doing that.
okay. They need to tune it up to Sabrina level for Mr. Tomasi and the glasses and the red tie.
So please, there's a whole
Where's-
ass line behind you. Please be cognizant of other
He's,
people's
I believe
time.
he's in the line right now.
Can I wear your outfit, Bobby?
Okay, and what's drink?
Damn,
Coconut
Tubbs.
water or what?
This is my outfit.
Can I wear it though?
Okay.
No,
Okay, go and
Why?
choose your booth, and I will
This is
bring
my
it
special
right over
outfit.
to you. Okay. Did you hear me? Should I say it slower?
No, you're good, bitch.
Do
Oh, okay,
you
actually, can you pay for your food
need
first?
a booth?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, did you pay for your food? Okay, yeah, it's on the terminal.
Come on, you got it.
Okay, I'll be right over.
now you're good,
Seriously.
bitch.
They don't understand it.
Creme brulee. We need creme brulee.
We need a creme brulee now.
What
We need a
happened?
creme brulee.
Make it.
sorry.
Lila dropped the
Creme
water on the guy
brulee!
outside.
That's not being a fucking care. That's being a dead. What's wrong with her?
What do you want? Where you stand right next to me?
Well, I work here. I can stand whenever I want to work.
You really just in here, bitch.
The fire.
I'm trying to fish over here.
Well,
I'm
I can stand here.
catching fresh fish.
Hey,
Oh,
no
absolutely.
fishing between arrows.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm not between the arrows and my Bobby.
Wait, what if
I'm
I fish
outside
from
the
back
arrows.
here?
Why is he being sassy with you?
Where the arrows are pointed to the left and right.
Yeah, yeah. So where's the between?
Why?
Here.
So as long as I'm not fishing.
You can only fish here.
No
Hi,
way. No,
everyone.
I
Our
can fish
food is
anywhere but
freshly
there, right?
vegan,
You can only fish here. The arrows are pointing to the left and to the right.
straight out the pond.
Between
You
the
can
arrows.
only-
But the arrows are only right here and right here. So this
Have
is
you guys
only
ever got
between,
hooked by a fishing
right?
Yeah.
rod before?
No. I'm not
So no
doing
fishing
that.
between the
care.
Like
arrows.
that looks so
How
scary. Like
dare you.
imagine no, but like imagine that shit. Like
left on my fucking plate.
What happened?
I can't fish here,
shit.
Bobby.
what the hell?
I can't
Oh,
fish
she got
here,
up.
but I can fish
Oh,
anywhere else.
I'm carrying out.
It was
It
Bobby.
was that the same group as the guy that couldn't handle?
I'm not giving you my outfit.
a little bit.
Give
of
me the
bullshit?
outfit, Bobby.
I'm not giving you a fucking outfit.
Homeboy couldn't handle a little bit of bullshit.
Give
He
me
was
the
like,
This is
outfit
my
now.
outfit. I made this
Yeah,
outfit.
Lila was
Fuck you and
talking
your
shit to him.
prosthetic
You
leg.
guys, there's been like no promo.
Bobby,
I'm
you're
gonna
not
be
following dress
paraplegic. I'm
protocol.
gonna have my
You're not
legs
following
removed
SOP.
by
No,
my
this
own
is,
choice.
this is my custom dress.
Bobby
It
looks
was approved
great.
by Zoe.
Has anyone seen that on
Yeah,
Twitter
Bobby
of that
looks
guy
great.
getting his legs removed because he wanted to?
Person. Leon.
What?
Uniform. This is my custom one.
What
Oh,
the
it's
hell
because there's like a
ever.
raffle or something.
What is it, Juan?
Leon, you gotta change your shirt.
I know. I want to wear Bobby's shirt.
You can't wear my shirt. This is my shirt. That's why it's called Bobby's shirt. You said it yourself.
Oh shit.
Let him know,
Guys,
Bobby.
Shut
Someone messaged me on
the
Spark
fuck
asking
up,
me if I'm
Steve.
BDS.
Let him know,
Leon.
Bobby. Let him know.
Oh my god.
I don't
Who
belong
is
here.
that?
I don't know.
Who?
That's why Leon can't.
Do you want anything in specific? Or
Upstairs.
do
I
you want me
might have
surprise
to go attend an event.
you? Okay.
What
Go
event?
and pay on this terminal, and I'll go get that
Yeah,
immediately.
The
that's it,
police
girl.
are gonna
Watch
do
your
an
feet.
event where they have to catch me
Said watch your
because
feet.
I'm a high priority
Oh,
target.
I'm, you know, brushing the sand off the
Yes.
wooden
Wait,
slabs.
are we just gonna watch you
And
like?
I'm gonna be in the car.
Okay, I know what
Are we
we
just gonna
should
see
do.
you driving around like
Yeah.
at random points?
We should make a new
Yeah,
channel.
probably, yeah.
Oh,
No
you're
more
a
fishing.
Oh, okay.
Deal.
And if you don't see him, then we need
What's
to
your
call.
name?
We got-
Wait, I know what
Yeah,
type
I
of
got
gimmick
caught.
is going on.
Oh, okay, bye.
Watch me walk away.
Gimmick.
Like we should say that like our water got contaminated.
All right, the event's over. I didn't get caught. You know how much money I just made off of that? Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey,
You know how much money I just made off of that?
how much did you make?
They gave me $20,000.
Can I have like 5?
No.
I need money. You don't understand. I got bills to pay. Pearls ain't cutting it right now.
What bills do you have to pay?
Pearls ain't cutting it right now.
You're not Blair. You don't have placenta to take care of. You're just a lonely man. Exactly. You don't even have a rebuttal.
I'm a sexy idiot. But thank you for the follow, chillin' Dylan. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
they just gave me $20,000.
Okay, give me like 2,000.
So that, what do you? How much money do you have?
102,000.
You have more money than me. I only have 88,000.
I need more.
No, you don't. You're greedy.
Can you make me an outfit?
I mean, I could.
A Pearls outfit? I want a new outfit. I want a new Pearls outfit, please.
Let's figure something out.
Okay, let's go.
We just need to do what we need
Okay,
to do.
should we
and get
do it
back to
here?
work and show it. Show
Yeah,
us
that
you
way
can
we
go
can
ahead,
listen.
girl.
So let's dead the issue. I will talk with Angelina tomorrow, and we'll have a whole separate thing for both y'all. And if y'all in outside of the work,
She's irrelevant to me. I'm like over her. Can I say that to
okay.
you, Leah? Look, I'm actually over her.
But
Like,
at
I
this
just
point, it seems like
don't
we
see
need
eye
to have a
her.
conversation though.
No,
with
no,
both
I
of
don't
you
want to
guys
have a
together because
conversation. I'm
it
like
seems
over.
like-
I was over. I was just within my business. I wanted to continue to work, but she stopped me
Oh,
from
also,
doing it. You know what I
guys,
mean? She
Oliver's
made me
not
feel like I
coming
need to
back.
clock the fuck out, which I did, and took on my uniform. She made me feel those type of feelings, girl, because
And
she
that's
was stealing my
horrible,
customers.
sis.
You know what I mean?
And
But
I really,
now I
I
don't give a
truly wish
fuck.
that you.
No,
I wish
you're
that you
right,
would have
but
came
now-
to us first and waited
Mhm.
before you took action because it's. I feel where you're coming from. I really do, and I don't agree
Why?
with what she did. But
The same
because of
reason
what
why
she
he was
did,
gone
it
off of
makes it hard
Pride. Wait, what's
try to make
it?
sense of it because you seem to have handled it on
8,
your
4,
own. Like,
2.
what more is there
Mhm.
for me to do other issue a consequence? You know.
No, I would face those consequences. I would take them, girl, in my actions, and I won't
8,
open those
4.
condoms again.
Damn,
I
these
won't
numbers
do-
are fucking
I won't
hard
do
to
that
see,
again.
yeah.
I'm just gonna, like you said,
Read the top one that bigger
take my
and then
feelings
10.
other ways, girl. Like just leave it to when I'm working. I'm just
Okay.
working, and
Exactly.
that's it. I understand now.
I want
Change your
one thing I
pants
want to say.
to
That
navy.
Zoe did tell the both of us. If
Oh, is it the same pants?
If it needs to be resolved outside the
I
work,
don't know.
I'll solve
I mean, good
it
enough, fuck
outside of
it.
the workplace. I think if it hadn't happened on the work floor, you would have been okay.
Okay, this one.
I
Okay.
think that was the main thing that was Serena was
Shoes?
trying to get at.
I don't care.
Okay, I
And
understand.
it's like your case becomes a little bit cloudy, a little less.
What the fuck?
valid
This is the
because you
outfit?
attacked her.
Fix
So
them.
Oh,
it's
no, I
hard for us to
understand.
listen to you and be like hearing you fully.
You didn't
because
ask me for a
did
good
what
one, you just
did.
asked me
You
for
know,
an
I
I
outfit.
want a good outfit, Bobby.
Mimosa, you know, I'm gonna just speak with Angelina,
But
and she's gonna be
wasn't
dealt
this-
with in this one. But you
Mhm.
did what you did. You handled it on your own, which
But wasn't this
isn't something
the
you should
same
be doing
issue?
here.
Yeah, no, I understand, especially not in here. I get that.
Oh, someone go by the. Okay, let's that issue. I think there's customers
Mhm.
outside.
Okay.
I don't think there's any arms for this.
But wasn't this the same issue where we can talk here?
What issue?
Wasn't this the same issue where worker because she was in defense for somebody?
Nothing much. I think Bobby's doing a deal right now. He did one last week in run.
They were already doing tonight.
They
They
already
all
told
were
you-
doing
I wanted to
tonight.
know
The
about
whole
the,
day, girl.
the big bulk order.
Wait, girls, come
That
here.
was
I need
her-
to tell you something.
Yeah,
Oh god.
No, it's like they had a whole conversation with him, but it was like they just didn't. Wait, are you making one? Bobby?
Huh?
Are you making an outfit or are you just making a random ass outfit?
Making an outfit for myself.
Bitch!
What the fuck's going on here?
I want him to make me an outfit, but he's not. Like, fuck him. Just give me your
Changing.
give me your
Girl,
Sailor
'cause-
Boy outfit.
Those are my outfits. You can't have those.
Ooh.
I will remake it for myself. I will literally spend an hour looking through
Okay,
that shit.
remake it.
No, I'm lazy.
Girl, just Lucy.
Yeah.
Hang on. Leon.
What?
So basically, what happened was, ooh, look, you got scared. I'm crying. You thought I was gonna spoil it for you,
Was it good though? What do you think?
girl. That's all I gotta say.
Are we? Is anyone? Do we have to hire anybody else? I think the only person that needs to get a job is.
What about you, girl?
618.
Wear the biggest boots ever and like to say they're approved by the fucking hold on because y'all wanna play like that because girl they wanna say like big ass heels are like approved to like walk around. Okay, period.
Fucking Joan River.
I think you should just wear whatever you want.
Who said you said Joan River?
What's Elon?
The fucking fashion police right
Like
here.
bitch, I'm gonna wear the
right?
fucking
Like,
thigh high boots. Hold on. Like
girl,
I'm like this
you
is
wanna
strip
wear them because you wanna
club.
wear
Like
them because you're a
what?
fucking slut, girl. I'm like, what? Nothing on it.
No, I'm not
Oh,
doing that. I'm
good.
joking. I like
Isn't it
my
this?
Air Force One.
Is it this one?
Of course you don't.
Girl, I don't know you're not fucking kill with the heels. Please.
Girl, I don't look good.
You are so sweaty.
I don't love the heels.
Your bitch are mad.
You are so fucking sweaty.
Oh, do you
There's
need
no
to-
cooking oil.
I need 5.
What'd you say?
There's no cooking oil.
There's no cooking oil?
What
Hobby.
the fucker?
We need some
Come
cooking
here to the
oil.
fucking register.
Yeah, we're out of cooking oil, girl.
All of it is in the fucking book.
Guys,
It's for Christmas.
I'm gonna get some
It's
cooking
all-
oil. I'm gonna get some cooking oil.
Hold on, wait, Leon, wait, stay.
What?
Let me get into my blue collar outfit.
Yeah.
Leon, if you wanna go run and do like a
Yes.
grocery run,
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Just
some
get
cooking
You
oil.
said
I'm
I
gonna
could
change
choose
it for you.
anything.
I know you. Yeah, you're right. I
yeah,
appreciate
do
And
like
we don't appreciate you,
200
get the fuck
hand rolls
out.
and then 200 coconuts.
200 cooking oils and 200 coconuts.
Dumbass, hoe ass, bitch ass. Ugly
Nah.
ass.
Where's Hobby?
You got your food, get the fuck out now.
Bobby's taking forever. Bobby, you should not be taking you this long.
Hold the fuck
What do you wanna
on.
know? None of your business. Period.
Not gonna press. You have the best.
Where's the
Christmas
helmet?
dish, so don't dish.
Let's go, Bobby.
It's my
Alright,
blue collar fit.
what did he order, guys? What did he order?
Oh.
Fuck is that?
Yep.
Thank you for the follow.
Okay.
Yes, I appreciate
Oh,
it.
yeah, he already got it.
That's
So
all
guys,
right,
we
brother.
are 2 steps away from the next sub goal. So I'd be very appreciative if we hit that.
I'll card back here.
And I would appreciate it so much.
Who took the fucking drafter?
Let's go. She's coming.
Oh shit, are you guys gonna fuck?
No, you sick freak.
What the
The
fuck?
hell?
What are you guys up to?
We're gonna go work.
We gotta go do an ingredient round.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right.
You little sicko.
Fucking pervert.
Pervert.
Hey, earlier someone said it was going on a date.
Bobby, you're going on a date? She likes to Fujo Xiao.
I've been in a chase for the last. She's schizophrenic or something. I don't know.
She is a Fujoshi queen.
Where do you start this shit at? I've never done it before.
All the way at the docks.
Merryweather docks or Russian docks?
I don't know what is which. I'm just gonna ping it.
The Russian docks are the big ones
I
with
pinged
like
it.
all the shipping containers, and the Merryweather docks are the one where you used to start the drug smuggles back home. Let me look. Oh, that's the. Yes, Merryweather docks.
Do. Does anyone listen to Berry Blue?
I hate lazy people.
Thank you for the follow, Jess. I appreciate it. Like, I don't know.
Oh, I'm going our way.
Who? Berry Blue.
Life is so good, Beamy. Like, it's just so easy. Life is just so easy. You know?
Yeah, it's like super easy. All she does on TikTok now is promote the same one song, and I wish she didn't. Like, girl, where's the new music in? Where's the new music at? Like,
ready for this sick fucking racing line?
Holy fucking shit, I
Check
am!
this shit out.
Whoa! That was so fucking cool.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, do that shit again.
That saved us like half a fucking second.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Tila's single now?
What? We were gone for 30 seconds.
Oh my god, they broke up already?
God damn it, we fucking missed it.
Let me call her. Tila, you're single now? You're single now,
I don't
Tila?
know.
Oh,
It depends. That's what it's a question mark.
What do we talk to?
this guy right
Anyone?
I don't even know where he went, honestly.
I want to talk to Fingal
He's just been
Dan.
such an asshole, Leon.
here. 200
What do we need?
coconuts and
Oil?
200 cooking oil. Yeah. Tila, it's gonna
How
be
do
okay.
I know what's what?
It's not gonna be okay, Leon.
200?
Yeah, 200 each. Yeah, Tila, it's gonna be
Hold on,
okay.
I have to call him.
I
Tila!
have to click in 200?
Yeah, we're gonna have to click in 400 because like it's 200 each.
I have to do this manually? I can't just fucking type it in?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I can only do 240.
Of each?
This, bro, no, like 240 total.
Oh, so we're just gonna
There's
do
no
two
way
runs
I have to
then.
do this shit manually.
We're just gonna do 2 runs then. 200 coconuts or
I have to
cooking oil
I have to
right now.
click 200 times.
Bobby, fucking
Olive
concentrate.
oil?
I don't give a fuck. Yeah, get the coconut oil.
What do I
mean the
need?
cooking oil.
Olive oil? Cooking oil?
Cooking oil.
Okay, here we fucking go. Playing cookie clicker.
Do you even know how to do all this shit?
I can figure it out. I'm
oh my god, I
blue
should've
collar
just fucking
certified.
did it.
No, I'm gonna do it. I have to click to
Hi,
200.
Cubby, how are
I'm
you?
at 128 right now. 150? 160? 170? 180? Do I just do 200? 240? Like, do I do the
There you
max?
go. Yeah.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah, motherfucker. You should just let me do it.
240 cooking oil. I want to do it.
Well.
Another one, thank you.
Thank you for the bet. I appreciate it. I got to promote.
Yep. Here we
Why
go.
would it be a farmer? This is construction.
Yep, blue collar. Yep. Another day on the workplace. Yep. It's that real shit.
Is it the fucking chat remix?
Fuck you. Got soft hands, brother.
Good luck with this part.
How the fuck do I do this shit?
Just lower it. And then back up.
I am. I'm going down. All right. Shit. Help! How the fuck do I do this?
Just do it. New song tomorrow, really?
It's as low as it can possibly go.
I like me off. Yeah. 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 Yeah, they're gonna give. Almost.
Another one, thank you.
Another one, thank you. Look, you did it. Just two more, Bobby. Just two more.
Yep. Soft hands, brother. So you're a real man, did you? What the fuck is your problem?
How'd you even grab you? You ran me over. Your shirt just got stuck on my fucking tie, my scarf.
Move. Fucking me up, boy.
Oh, yeah. You got it.
Another one, thank you.
Why won't it leave?
Thanks, Cubby.
Leon, help. I need strat. I need
I can't help you. That's just how it is. There's no tech for this. There's no tech for this.
There's no tech for this?
No, you just gotta pray.
Are you fucking kidding me? Get the fuck off me!
Look how Bobby, you suck.
I'm sick of this fucking bullshit.
You should just let me do it.
No, I gotta learn. You know what? They wanna play games. You wanna play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Watch this. Watch out.
Do it. I'm weighing it down. Really, Bobby?
Fuck you, watch out.
Another
Ah!
one, thank you.
Stop!
I'm not even like dropping him.
Another one, thank you.
Oh, oh, I don't stand a chance in these.
Another one, thank you.
Another one, thank you. Thank you for the bits, Cubby. I appreciate that. Bobby, hurry up, please. Like, I don't have all day.
I'm trying my best.
Bobby.
Just get on the fucking thing. Go!
Bobby, please stop screaming.
I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Bobby, just lift it up whenever you freaking hit it so it doesn't stay stuck.
Wait, progress. Hold on.
Progress.
Yeah. Yeah, what now?
David Sousa. You deserve it. Thank you so much. Hello?
Come pick me up, Legion Square.
I can't pick you up. I'm doing a delivery run right now.
Who's around?
Juan, Tila, Valentine, Sabrina, Lila.
God, bro. Like,
You can't go on that rope.
Okay,
Now
fine.
you're stuck.
I'm stuck on the road.
Yeah, now you're
Okay,
stuck
bye.
there. Bye, Devin. So,
Bump me
Devin.
with the car.
Okay, now tighten him down.
How do I do that? What do I do?
Look at him.
I have a problem? I can't.
Over here. Look on the truck.
Weird. Oh.
Let's go.
I'm secured. Do you want to take the car so we can get back easy?
No, why don't we just leave it here? You need to bring
Hello?
the truck here.
Oh, it's gonna go. It's gonna disappear.
That's okay.
How are we gonna get back?
Because we're gonna do the next delivery run.
Okay. All right.
Imagine one delivery run, the truck tips over.
You turn the radio on or something, please.
No, I drive in silence.
Fucking freak.
How am I a fucking freak?
Fucking freakazoid.
Okay, fine. I'll put on some music. There.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Make me a girl. Baby, gone crazy. Hey, hold on. Pop that pop sound, baby. Do you like this song, Bobby? Roads on the windows.
It's very blue collar.
Okay, whatever.
I'm driving through my eyes right now.
Why?
I'm immersed. Did I just kill someone?
I think so, but that's okay. Made for destruction, pop it like that. You got some Oh my god, what the hell's happening? Dude, we missed so much. Hit the cars out of the way.
Yeah.
Make that.
Followed by shooting.
Guys, delivery run, delivery run. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
This fucking
Delivery run, guys.
Who's he talking to? Come on, get your money.
Yeah, we're doing this.
Blue collar worker.
Yep.
So cute.
Thank you.
Oh, let them know.
Damn, everything in my way.
Damn, bitches.
grab and go, grab and go, grab and go.
I can't even put it down.
So I cannot even go.
Grab and go.
One second, I got you. Can I?
Grab and go.
Grab and go. Grab and go.
Make sure to shout grab and go.
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 Move!
Grab and go.
Another one, thank you.
Another one, thank you. Thank
Grab
you,
and
Cubby,
go.
for the bits. Grab and go.
Grab and go, everybody. Grab and go.
Oh my god, I'm making money.
Drop the money. For motherfucking money.
Bobby, move!
Oh, this bread so yummy.
There's way too many people coming in.
Turkey. We're not. Both mine.
I need to make my $25, man.
Oh my god.
Is that Devin Sosa? Hi, Devin Sosa. Devin Sosa.
I need food. I need food.
I don't care though. Yeah, Devin's a
Fucking
bitch.
money.
No. I need it. I need it. No. Are you fucking kidding me?
Go, calm down.
Then move this ugly ass fucking car. Bobby, let's go.
Gotta get back quick.
Oh. Leon.
Are you alright?
Where Bobby?
I'm not even driving.
That's not my fault. I don't have rearview mirror.
Fucked up.
Ba-na-na-na-na. I appreciate you streaming while everyone else doesn't, so I need to know the pro lore. I got you. Quiet you. Quiet.
God damn.
Can you go? Oh my god.
I'm trying. You think we hit that same line in this truck? Okay.
It's all about the love, it's true. Thanks so much for the follow, Prismatic, which I appreciate it. What'd you say?
Never mind, nothing. I didn't say anything.
No, what'd you say, Bobby?
I didn't say anything. Don't worry about it.
Bobby, what the fuck did you say? I'm fucking sorry.
I didn't say
The
anything.
music was too loud, I didn't hear you.
I didn't say anything.
Okay, whatever.
I didn't say nothing.
I'm fucking sorry.
I don't care. You should have said sorry 30 seconds ago when I kid.
Okay, next song, I don't care.
Whatever.
Go ahead, gun jump. We need a big order of coconuts, so 240.
Can you reply to her saying coconuts are on the way, but can you spell coconuts like, you just fuck up the spelling of coconut? Like, just misspell coconut somehow.
Javi said he'll just scrap it, but like we're already down here. Let's take a detour.
Damn, why you be mean? Too late.
Too late. You have a good night, Rich.
Oh, damn, you quick.
Oh, damn, you quick. And you slow. No, that's too mean. I was gonna say, and he's slow, but that's too mean.
Where do I return this? Do I just put it back
Talk
in?
it to the guy. No, talk to the guy. Talk to the guy.
Which one? The guy soaked through?
Yeah.
Fingal Dan! Hey!
My music.
That was it?
Now you 240 coconuts. Let me show you how to do this.
No, I want to.
I'm already doing it.
I can click faster than you.
I wonder where the coconuts are.
I already have 50 of them in my choir.
I'm at 100.
Why is it slowing
I'm
me
at 200.
down?
I'm at 200.
No, you're not. How?
I won.
I want to do it.
No, me.
Put your fucking
You're
hands
such
up.
a bitch.
Put your fucking hands up right now.
Okay, but like, let me cancel it because it's gonna like mess up.
Okay, you do it then. You do it. Show me how. Show me the tape.
Okay, watch this. Watch this. God damn it, Bobby. God fucking damn it. Boom. Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it. Bobby, I'm not gonna make it. What you doing tonight? I'm stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't! Get the fuck off. Hit that shit. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. See, Bobby,
Oh,
wasn't
yeah,
that
I
so much
know.
faster?
Well, I didn't know how to do it. You did.
You said, bitch, I know to I'm a cow.
Yeah.
So what is you?
Bitch, I'm Sam.
Where has Sam been? I haven't seen Sam in forever.
I don't know. Where the fuck is Sam?
Oh, let me call Devin.
Hello, this is Devin Sosa voicemail. At the
Hello,
beep,
Devin
please
Sosa.
leave a message.
Hi, Devin. I saw that I had a missed call from you. I was just wondering what was going on. Like, what'd you call me for? Sorry, I was doing my last delivery, so just wondering. Call back when you get the chance. Bye. Is there voicemails? Can I like see a voicemail?
I think you can leave voice memos. I don't know about voicemail.
Because I said I had one. Oh, right here. What do you say?
Answer the fucking phone!
Hello, Frank.
Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. I
Alright,
wasn't paying attention.
give me like 5 minutes max. How the fuck did you get the truck stuck? Okay, sorry, I'm in the middle of something. I'll be there in 5. All right. I see you soon, Frank.
Hello?
All right, okay.
Hey, I received your missed call alert, and I just wanted to give you a call back.
Yeah, hi, Devin.
Hi, Leon Lee. Leon Lee, they're fucking beating me up and shit. Like, what is wrong with them? I'm gonna get a gun and I'm gonna blow their ass up. I'm gonna shoot up Pearls.
Why are they beating you up?
I don't know.
Devin,
They
is
think
this
that
the
it's
hair
okay
that
to
you always have?
Nope.
Oh.
I got a haircut. Do you like it or no?
Yeah, it's like pretty good, I would say.
Well, you tell me, do I look good?
Sure, I would say so. Your face is a little like malnourished, it looks like, but
It's called Redditrue Tide and looks maxing and bone mashing.
is that what you've been doing?
Yup. Yup. Seriously.
I never took you for the like looks maxing bone smashing type.
Why? Because I always look good though. So you should.
No. No, Devin.
Well, whatever. Fuck you.
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could treat you, but I have to charge. It's better than. It's better than. I could treat you, but I have to. It's better than yours, Bobby. It's better than yours.
No, because you stole my outfit.
Yeah.
You just killed
Oh
someone.
my god, I just killed him.
You just killed someone.
5K.
I can't see, I was looking through my eyes.
Yeah.
Leon.
Okay, I gotta
Steve,
go.
I'm so
Oh my
sorry.
God.
How much money do you have?
Can someone help him?
Yeah, I got that. I got that.
How much money?